So hi friend, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. This is a very special video for all the students of SC, ST and PWD category, that is who got the preparatory rank. Here I will try to discuss each and everything that you need to know for the preparatory rank so that you will take the right decision, otherwise you may regret later. So if you are first to my channel, please try to subscribe this channel, try to support me as I am providing you the separate video for all category, and day and night I am working for all of you. Just try to support this channel and try to share this channel with your juniors as well so that they can get the information in next year examination as well. So the first thing is preparatory rank is not the original rank, it is a preparatory rank, means you will get the preparatory course in IIT. So what is the preparatory course? Preparatory course is for 1 year, that is before the original course they will prepare you for the original course. Suppose if you will get into the BTech CSE in IIT Bombay with preparatory course or any mechanical branch in IIT Bombay, so 1 year you will have to study the preparatory courses. In that there will be two examinations semester wise after every 6 months, and once you will get at least 40% marks, you will be eligible for the original course of that same college. Or if you want to take the JEE advanced examination next year, you can do the same as well, because you will be eligible even after getting the admission into the IITs. You will able to appear in JEE and JEE advanced examination in the upcoming years. So this was about the preparatory courses. So what is the use of preparatory rank? So this is the use of preparatory rank, that is you will get the preparatory course. So should you take it or not, and how you will take it if you want? So should you take it or not? It is a very important question and it needs a detailed discussion, because I don't know about your personal interest, which type of a student you are, what is your goal after 4 years. So everything I have to discuss, and you will be confused whether to take the NIT with CSE or preparatory course, because IIT also you want to join. So everything I will try to discuss once you register with my guidance. If you want, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number. There is a nominal charge for that. So the important thing is that for preparatory course also you have to do the choice filling similar to other students who have qualified the IITs, and you will be given those seats that will be vacant. So lots of seat in SC, ST, PWD category will be remaining vacant in each round, and that will be given to the student in the same round itself. And there are some IITs which is running the separate preparatory course, so there will be separate seat for that as well. So the important thing, most of the seat will be filled through preparatory course, that will be remaining vacant, particularly in SC, ST, PWD, because preparatory course is applicable for only SC, ST and PWD student. So the important thing is that how you need to do the choice filling, because once you fill the wrong choice filling and put the preparatory course in wrong place, you may get the undesirable thing, that is if you want CSE in NIT, you will get the preparatory course, or vice versa also can be done. So everything needs a detailed discussion, but the important thing is that you have to do the similar counseling. There is nothing like you have to do extra counseling for preparatory courses. It is same as you will do the NIT, triple IT, GFTI filling, you have to fill the IITs as well. So this was the complete information about the preparatory courses. Hope you get this information very useful for you. So please try to subscribe the channel, and if you have any more doubt about preparatory courses, that is general doubt, try to ask in the comment section, because once you contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number, you have to register with my guidance, then only I will able to guide you from now up to your admission is done. So if you want, you can contact me anytime through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box. Thanks.
So now I would like to introduce the Philo app, where you can get the solution of all your question, doubt, or you have problem with any type of concept related to JEE or NEET or boards examination. Then you can get the solution 24/7 with these 3 easy steps. That is, first you have to download the Philo app in the Play Store, and then you have to do the sign up process using your mobile number. And after that, take the photo of your question and upload that in the app. And after that, within 60 seconds, you will be connected to the India's best educator.
क्वेश्चन में आप कहना चाहते हैं कि बल्ब की पावर कितनी है? अगर बल्ब जो है वो 220 वोल्टेज पर ऑपरेट हो रहा है, राइट? इस बैटरी का जो वोल्टेज है वो आपको गिवन है 220. तो ये आपको सिंपल रिलेशन हो गया यहाँ पर. अब अगर कोई आपको और डाउट है तो बताइए.
So without wasting your time, download the Philo app. Link is available in the description box and use the code IEB001. You will get the 10% instant discount. Thanks.